Hey everyone, ready for another deep dive?
Absolutely. Always ready to dig into some data.
All right, so today we're tackling a Power Query formula that might seem small, but packs a serious punch.
Oh, yeah. This one is sneaky powerful.
You got it. We're talking about Decimal.From.
Decimal.
Yeah, it's like the unsung hero of data transformation.
And it's so important too, like...
For sure. I mean, think about it. You're working in Power Query, pulling data from a million different sources.
Yeah, you got databases, spreadsheets, web pages.
Exactly. And all of a sudden you realize, wait a minute, half of these numbers are formatted as text.
Oh, the chaos.
It's a recipe for disaster, right? Especially if you're trying to do any calculations or analysis.
Right, and that's where Decimal.From swoops in to save the day.
Like a superhero cape and all?
Well, maybe not a cape.
Okay, no cape. But definitely a superhero of the data world.
Exactly.
So let's break it down. What exactly does Decimal.From do?
So basically, it takes any value, whether it's a number or a text string, and transforms it into a proper decimal number.
Gotcha. So if I feed it a number, it just spits it back out as a decimal.
Well, it does a little more than that. It first makes sure that the number is actually within the acceptable range for decimal.
Oh, so it has some built-in safeguards.
Yeah, it's like a quality control check.
Smart. But what happens if you give it something that's not already a number, like, text string that looks like a number?
Right. Well, Decimal.From is pretty clever. It'll try to convert that text string into a number using this other handy function called number_from_text.
Number_from_text. Okay, so it's like a two-step process.
You got it. First, it tries to get a number, and then it makes sure it's a proper decimal.
Wow, this is getting pretty sophisticated.
Oh, and wait, there's more.
There's more.
Decimal.From can also handle those pesky regional formatting differences. Like how some countries use commas as decimal separators?
Oh yeah, I've run into that before. It's a nightmare.
I know, right? But guess what? You can actually tell Decimal from what culture the data is coming from. So you can tell it, hey, treat this data as if it's from France.
Whoa, how do you even do that?
You just add a little bit of code in the formula to specify the culture. It's super easy.
That's amazing. So I'm imagining all sorts of scenarios where this would be a lifesaver. Like imagine you're merging data from different sources.
Right, and some are using periods for decimals and others are using commas.
It would be total chaos. But with Decimal.From, you can just tell it how to interpret everything and
boom, no more data type conflicts.
Data harmony.
Exactly. And sometimes people might think, well, why not just use Excel's formatting tools to fix those decimal issues?
Yeah, that seems simpler.
Right. But here's the thing. Those formatting tools only change how the data looks. They don't actually change the underlying value of the data.
Ah, so it's all about the substance.
Precisely. And Decimal.From makes sure that the data itself is accurate and consistent at a deeper level.
So you're not just masking the problem, you're actually solving it.
Exactly. It's like making sure the foundation of your house is solid.
If you build on a shaky foundation, the whole thing could crumble.
And nobody wants that, especially when we're talking about important data.
So just to recap, decimal. Format is not just about converting numbers into decimals. It's also about ensuring data integrity, handling different regional formats, and making sure that your data is reliable for any analysis you're doing.
It's like a little data bodyguard.
A tiny but mighty bodyguard.
Now that we've covered the ins and outs of Decimal.From, think about all the ways you can use this beyond just converting numbers.
Yeah, I'm already thinking about all the possibilities. It's like
it can help clean up messy data, make your calculations super precise, and even help you uncover hidden insights in your spreadsheets.
Who knows what you'll discover.
The possibilities are endless. Keep experimenting and let us know what you find.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive, and we'll catch you next time.
See ya.